Hello everybody. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here I will show you how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. Let's dive into a common challenge that many Zendesk users face: efficiently managing and assigning incoming support tickets. Imagine you're part of a customer support team, and every day you receive dozens or even hundreds of tickets that need to be sorted and assigned to the right agents. Manually doing this can be time-consuming and error-prone. However, by setting up auto-assignment in Zendesk, you can streamline this process, ensuring that tickets are automatically routed to the correct agent based on specific criteria. This not only saves time, but also enhances the efficiency of your support operations. Now, let's walk through the steps to set up this auto-assignment system within Zendesk. Follow along closely, and by the end, you'll have a seamless process in place. First, head over to the top right corner of your Zendesk dashboard. Here you'll find an application icon that you need to click. This will take you to the Admin Center, the hub for all your administrative settings. Be patient as it loads, and once it's ready, turn your attention to the left-hand pane where you'll see an option labeled Objects and Rules. Click on it, and then scroll down until you spot Business Rules. Under this section, you'll find Triggers. Go ahead and click on Triggers and let it load. Once the page is ready, it's time to create a new trigger. Click on Create Trigger. You'll need to give your trigger a name. For instance, if you are routing tickets to a specific agent named Ryan, a suitable name might be Route Tickets to Ryan. This helps in identifying what the trigger is set to do. In the description field, briefly explain the purpose, such as route tickets from specific users to Ryan. Next, you'll encounter Trigger Category. If you don't already have a category for routing, you'll need to create one. Click on Create Category, and then name this category Routing. This categorization helps in organizing your triggers efficiently. Now let's focus on setting up the conditions for this trigger. Click on Add Conditions, and choose Meet all of the following conditions. The first condition to set is related to the ticket itself. Select Ticket from the drop-down menu and set the value to Created. This ensures that the trigger is activated when a ticket is newly created. After setting the initial condition, it's time to add another. Again, select Category as Ticket and then choose Tags from the options. You'll need to specify an operator, such as contains at least one of the following. Here you can input a tag like Route Ryan. Make sure to use lowercase to maintain consistency. Once you set all the conditions, scroll down and click on Add Actions once more, and then specify the action as Assign. The recipient of this assignment will be Ryan, ensuring that any ticket with the specified conditions is automatically routed to him. Finally, after reviewing all the details, click on Create Trigger. A confirmation will appear stating that the trigger, for example, Route Tickets to Ryan, is now active. And that's it. Your auto-assignment system is all set up and ready to work its magic. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to auto-assign tickets in Zendesk. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials and tips like this.